Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down digital marketing in the simplest way possible, especially for beginners who want to understand how people grow brands, build audiences, and make money online. In this lesson, you'll learn what digital marketing really is, the main areas you should focus on, skills you can start learning today, and how beginners can enter this space step by step. Whether you want a career, a side hustle, or to grow your personal brand, this is where your digital journey begins. Let's get started. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the process of promoting products, services, or personal brands using the internet and digital platforms. Instead of billboards or newspapers, businesses now reach people through social media, search engines, websites, emails, online videos, and mobile apps. Digital marketing is how businesses get attention, build trust, and make sales online. Why does digital marketing matter today? Almost everyone spends hours online daily. That means customers discover brands online first. Businesses compete for attention digitally. Skills in digital marketing create income opportunities. Digital marketing allows you to work remotely, start a business with low capital, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience. Digital marketing has several core areas. Today, we'll focus on social media marketing. This involves promoting content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok. It's a powerful tool to reach and engage your target audience effectively. Let's talk about building your audience. Great content and storytelling are key to increasing engagement. And by staying aware of trends, master these skills and watch your business grow. Thanks. Content marketing is about creating valuable content that attracts people naturally. This could be videos, blog posts, tutorials, podcasts, or educational content. The key rule: give value first, sell later. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is about helping your content appear on search engines when people search for answers. It's what makes your content visible and discoverable online. Imagine someone searches how to prepare for job interviews. Your video appears at the top. That's the power of SEO. Use keywords in your title and description, like job interview tips. This boosts your visibility. Email marketing is all about sending targeted messages directly to your audience. For example, you can create segments for new subscribers or frequent buyers. Then you craft personalized emails, like this, direct and effective. Email marketing is one of the highest returning strategies in digital marketing. It's perfect for promotions, updates, and building customer loyalty. You can even use it to sell products directly to your audience. Start your email strategy today. Running ads online is a powerful way to reach specific audiences quickly. Use YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, or Facebook ads. You pay to show your content to the right people. It's that simple. Digital marketing follows a clear journey, starting with attract, a pigment that people will notice. Think engaging social media posts. Value plays a class step in our simple process. How does digital marketing work? It's a simple process. First, you need to attract. Create content that people notice. This grabs attention and draws your audience in. That's the first step. To build a successful business, you need a marketing funnel. It starts with awareness and provide value to build trust. Then you convert viewers into customers and keeping them coming back. That's the marketing funnel. Start with these: content creation, copywriting, basic graphic design, video editing, analytics understanding, audience psychology. You don't need to master everything at once. Let's start simple. Canva for design, CapCut for video, Google Analytics for tracking, ChatGPT for ideas, and MetaSuite for scheduling. Tools help you work faster, not replace creativity. Ready to start creating content? Here's a simple 5-step plan. Step 1, choose one platform like Fork or Speakgram. Step 2, pick a niche such as education or lifestyle and repost consistently 3-5 times. YouTube beats perfection. Let's talk about ways to make money with digital marketing. You can earn through freelancing, social media management, affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, selling digital products, running ads for businesses, and content monetization. Many people start as learners and become marketers within months. Avoid these common beginner mistakes: trying every platform at once, posting without strategy, copying trends without value, expecting instant results, and ignoring audience feedback. Growth online is built through learning and testing. The future of digital marketing. Digital marketing continues growing because businesses are moving online, video content dominates, personal brands matter more, and AI tools increase productivity. The earlier you learn, the bigger your advantage. Digital marketing is not just a career skill. It is a communication skill for the modern world. When you learn how to attract attention and deliver value online, opportunities follow. Start small, stay consistent, improve daily.